Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. So first, what you guys want to do is clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So if you use metal, then you will only damage the port even more, and when you clean it with something like a soft brush, then there's no way you can damage it. So if it wasn't damaged already, then make sure to use a soft brush and do not use everything that's just metallic. Now after that, what you guys can do is let's go over and go to the camera. So this way I always check my microphone. If it's working, I just switch to the video, and now I'll just start recording. Now, as you guys can see, we have a green icon, which is for our camera and our microphone. Now, let's stop the recording and see if it works. So, we'll just start recording. Now, as you guys can see, so it definitely does work. Now, what we can do is we can go over and restart our phone to refresh the system. So, click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. You don't need to hold it. Now click restart and the phone will start restarting. So we'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any mic glitches. So go over to the settings. Now in those settings, scroll a bit down until you guys see system. Here in the system, go to system updates and now click on check for updates, but first make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with everything. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.